I'm starting off by just opening up my puff pastry dough right here on my baking sheet, and you can see I'm moving quickly, just kind of smushing that, making it just a little bit bigger. Now I'm gonna come in with some sharp cheddar cheese, you guys, and I'm just gonna put a whopping whole entire pile of cheddar cheese right in the middle of this puff pastry. We do not have a lot of time today, you guys, so I am showing you one of my favorite recipes, and you're probably wondering, when is she gonna stop pouring this cheese? No, you guys, we are really doing it to it today. So we just piled a hopping pile of cheese right on top there. Now we have one more sheet of puff pastry, and look at that. We're just gonna lay it right over top, you guys. We are making a grilled cheese pillow. Holy cow, who doesn't love grilled cheese? Super classic recipe. Okay, you got both those on there. Now you're gonna wanna come in with a fork, and you can see I'm just kind of pushing down the edges, just really locking those two puff pastries together with all of that cheese in the middle. Now, of course, you could probably stuff this with other things. You could also use different cheeses. Tell me all your ideas in the comments. There is so many, you guys, but today, honestly, I just feel like you can't go wrong with the authentic regular cheese, right? Regular cheese. We're gonna do a grilled cheese pillow here. This is gonna get so fluffy, golden brown. It's gonna be absolutely tasty and delightful. All right, we got all those sides sealed in. That looks super good. Now here I have some butter, and I'm gonna take my little brush here. I'm gonna put a whole load of butter right on top. Ooh, savoring up that crust to that puff pastry. I'm looking at this, you guys, and I'm thinking, holy cow, oh my goodness, it almost looks like a giant ravioli, right? It looks like we're making a giant ravioli. Oh, that cheese is just gonna get so melted and so good in the middle, you guys. We're gonna slice this up. I can't wait for you to see inside of my big grilled cheese pillow. Oh, I don't know, maybe next time I'll switch up the other cheese. Pepper jack might be good if you like a little spicy. Ooh, maybe some Swiss and cheddar mixed together. So I'm just lathering up. I think we're probably pretty good around there. We're nice and lubed up here on our puff pastry. That looks great. Now you guys, this is optional. I'm gonna take some Parmesan cheese and I'm gonna sprinkle that on top because I feel like it's gonna give a savory flavor to the puff pastry dough, and ooh, it's gonna crisp up, it's gonna golden brown. Have you ever had Parmesan cheese on top of your grilled cheese toast? It is so good. So we are putting a ton of that Parmesan cheese right on there. Bam, look at that. Our giant grilled cheese pillow puff, or maybe cheese stuffed ravioli. I don't know. What are you gonna call this thing, you guys? I'm gonna stick it in the oven at 400. It's gonna cook for 15 minutes, and stick around because you're gonna have to see what happens when I dig in the middle of this bad boy. Oh my goodness, you guys, can we just take a moment? Look at that. Now this is done perfectly. It's the Parmesan cheese that gives it that really golden brown, crispy flavor. And that's totally optional, but if you haven't tried it, I would definitely suggest it. Oh, I can just smell it, you guys. Our giant cheese pillow here. Okay, so I think I'm just gonna take one big slice. Listen to that. Oh, it's steamy. We didn't even wait because I am hungry and I want to try this. Okay, so we're just gonna cut it all down. Listen to that crunch. Oh my goodness, the cheese is just oozing out in the center. It looks absolutely amazing. Look at that cheese there in the middle. Oh, definitely gonna need to take this piece right here in the middle. Oh, look at that. I'm just gonna turn it around this way, you guys. Look at that cheese just seeping out. That looks so good. I love the crunchy and the flakiness of the puff pastry. This is definitely like really hot. I can tell, but once it cools down, it's always easier to handle, but I really wanted it like hot and fresh and cheesy. Yum. Our giant cheese-filled ravioli turned into a cheese-filled pillow, and now I'm gonna sleep good at night.
I know, where's the pillowcase?
We don't need a pillowcase. You eat it as you sleep.
Oh.
All right, you guys, there's so many options that you can do with this. I don't know, we kept it simple today. The Parmesan cheese on the top really does it for me, and I love to go with the cheddar. But tell me all of your thoughts, and how would you switch this up? Would you be adding meat into it? I don't know, maybe some veggies. There's so many ideas, but think about it. One puff pastry sheet, your cheese and anything else delicious, and then one more sheet. Seal it up, butter it up, pop it in, and look at that, you're good to go. I hope you guys enjoy this recipe, and we'll see you guys later.